Okay, Orlando Solis here. Um, just understand this, that when we work this section right here, we're talking about a couple of things right here. They want the mean, they also want standard deviation. We know what the spread outness, it's not really spread outness, but it's the average difference between the mean and all the rest of the data. Number of data points in the 5-number summary. We should already understand what's going on with that. Just remember that's the maximum, the minimum, Q1, Q3, and also the median. And, what does that represent and everything. So we're going to use this data here to go ahead and do this. We're also going to use this in forming, let's see, a couple of other things. So let's go ahead and take a look at this data. So this is what you do. You have to go into your calculator, and you have to choose this one. It says add list and spreadsheet to new document. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And I'm going to just call this data. You always name your column. So DADT, or, oh, wait a minute. DATA. Where's T? Okay, data, or data, whatever you want to say. Then you enter it in right here. Now, if you notice, it's in different columns, but you're going to put everything into one column. You don't want to go ahead and spread these into different columns. So 145, enter, 101, enter, 123, and you can keep on going till you get all 60 of the terms. But I have a trick up my sleeve because I don't want to do all this work, so I'll go ahead and get my documents. Histogram data. Do you want to save the data? No, I don't want to save that document. Alright, so here's all the data right here. And if you keep on scrolling down, as you can see right here, this is all 60 of the data points. Okay. So now, I'm going to go ahead and add a new calculator. If you just go to calculate, it's not going to do this right. You have to go into this particular button. And we're going to do something called one var stats. So we're going to go ahead and click into this. Let's see, hit menu. Find our statistics, because these are all statistics. And we have stat calculations. So it's 6-1. And we want 1, which is one variable stat. So it's menu 611. Okay, number of lists, we only have 1. So we want to pick our list, which is data. Just to let you know, I just pushed this button and it automatically brought it up. If you don't name the column, it's not going to go ahead and put this. We don't want to fill in anything else, so we just push enter to get our data done. And as you can see our list. We have our X bar. If you just go ahead and see right here, you have everything. If you hit up, you'll see X bar, which is 114.93. So I'm going to write that down under my X bar thing. So X bar is 114.98. So that's our X bar. What else was it asking for? Our S sub x, which is our standard deviation. Oops, not writing that all. Let's see, let's take a look. Whoops, hit the wrong button. So right here, if you look over here, you'll see summation of x squared, then you'll have Sx. So that's S of x, which is 14.8. Okay, so that's the S sub x. Next is our 5-number summary. So remember, our 5-number summary is minimum, Q1, median, Q3, and maximum. So we just need to write it out from here. So minimum is 81, Q1 is 104, median is 114, Q3 is 125.5, and max is equal to 145. So you can see that's how it works. That's how you get your 5-number summary. From there, you can go ahead and put together your box and whisker graph, but that's neither here nor there. You understand this is what you're going to be doing here. And that's about it. Thank you very much, and go ahead and get to work on your stuff and data sets.